morning, dear students. Hope you understood the previous classes of long division methods of number system. Now we will be seeing about the polynomials. In this we will see today the value and zero roots of the polynomial. So be very attentive and watch fully so that you can get a good score in future while you are writing your examinations. So the next topic is polynomial. So polynomial we classify into two types. Here zero root of a polynomial. In that we will see about value of a polynomial as well as zero or root of the polynomial. First we will be discussing about the value of a polynomial. So you can see the first sum. If f of x is equal to 2 into x to the power 3 minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12, find the value of the polynomial f of 2. Again I repeat, if f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12, find the value of the polynomial f of 2. So to denote a polynomial, we represent by like this: f of x or g of x, h of x, whatever may be. With this variable, if you represent as a function, we call it as polynomial. So we'll write it as, we'll find out the answer for this. So the value of x is represented in the bracket. So x is equal to 2. Now you substitute for this. F of 2 is equal to, wherever x is there in this sum, you have to substitute the value of 2. 2 into 2 to the power 3 minus 13 into 2 to the power 2 plus 17 into 2 plus 12. So wherever x is there, you have to substitute the value what is inside this bracket. That is 2. That is the value of x. So 2 to the power 2 into 8 minus 13 into 4 plus 17 into 2, that is 34 plus 12. So when you reduce it, 16 minus 52 plus 34 plus 12, you get an answer 10. So the value of the polynomial f of 2 is equal to 10. So now we'll go for the second sum. So that x is equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 6. Again I repeat, so that x is equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 6. So we will solve it. So we will consider f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 6. So as x is been already given here as x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, you just substitute the value of x1 here and you find out the answer. 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 7 into 1 minus 6. So when you reduce it, 2 minus 3 plus 7 minus 6. So you get the answer 0. So from this you can find out that this is, since the answer is 0, you can find it out. X of x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial f of x. So in the first one you found out the value of the polynomial, and the second one you will be finding in the root of the polynomial. Okay, dear students, hope you might have understood the basic till now. If you had seen fully, put it in practice by writing in a piece of paper and solve it by yourself. We'll be updating it frequently, and we'll be updating it steadily, slowly. So subscribe and share and click on the bell nearby so that it will intimate you immediately when we update it. Thank you for watching, and thank you.